Hello student, this is Ashish Vegadwa from the electrical department. So today we will learn inverter in the subject power electronics. Let's move to the content of this topic. In this topic we will learn single phase half bridge inverter. Next is single phase full bridge inverter. What are the advantages of inverter and disadvantages of inverter? Let's start with the single phase half bridge inverter. So this is a circuit diagram of single phase half bridge inverter. So it having two source, that is V by 2 and V by 2. It means input voltage is divided by 2 by using midpoint type battery, and it having two thyristor and two diode, that is S1 S2 and D1 D2, and having one load, and the load may be RL type. So this diode D1 and diode D2 are generally used to free wheel the energy which is stored in the load inductor. Now the inverter is a device which convert DC supply into the AC supply. So in the AC supply, direction of current will change at each of the input. Now if we trigger thyristor S1, then the current will flows from the positive to the S1 to the load and come back to the point negative, and we will get one square pulse in the output. Same time this load having inductor which will going to store the energy inside, and now if we turn off the thyristor S1, then this load going to dissipate the energy through the diode D2, and the current will flows from the load to the positive of the bottom supply, negative diode D2, and come back to the load. Hence the direction of current will remain same in the load. Let's see how we can achieve negative half cycle. To achieve negative half cycle, we have to turn on thyristor S2 such that current will flows from the positive to the load to the S2 and come back to the negative, such that we will get negative half cycle in the output. Same time the inductor is going to store energy inside, and if we turn off thyristor S2, then this inductor is going to dissipate the energy by using diode D1, and it will charge the supply. Hence the current will flows from the load to the diode D1 and positive of the top supply, and it will charge the top supply. Thus way we can get AC square pulse in the output by triggering thyristor in this manner. Let's see bridge type inverter. In bridge type inverter, we have connected SCR in bridge manner. It requires 4 SCR and 4 diode. Here, this diode are used to dissipate their energy. Now to generate positive half cycle, first we have to trigger SCR S1 and S2, so that current will flows from the positive to the S1 to the point A, load, B, S2, and come back to the negative. Hence we will get positive half cycle in the output. Same time this inductor is going to store energy inside. Hence we have to dissipate their energy such that this inductor is going to dissipate through this diode D3 and diode D4. Hence the current will flows from the load to the B to the D3 to the positive, negative, and diode D4 come back to the load. Hence when load will dissipate, output of the SCR, it will charge the supply. Now to generate negative half cycle, we have to trigger thyristor S3 and S4 such that current will flows from the positive to the S3 to the load to the S4 and come back to the negative. Hence we will get negative half cycle in the output. Same time inductor is going to store their energy, and inductor energy will be dissipated by diode D1 and D2 into the supply. Let's see advantages of inverter. First one is no need of an output transformer such that cost will be saved. Second is efficiency is higher as of lesser number of losses. Next is the current rating of the power device is equal to the load current. Hence we can fully utilize the device. Let's see disadvantages of inverter. The first one is more number of transistors are required such that the cost of the inverter will increase. Next is cost is high due to large number of SCR or thyristor or switches. Let's see question for assignment. The first one is explain single phase half bridge inverter. Explain single phase full bridge inverter. Give advantages and disadvantages of inverter. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.